Hey guys, Lady Sivana here and welcome to my channel again. Today I'll be sharing the low-carb chicken with cabbage recipe. It's a Bulgarian-inspired recipe. This is a type of keto diet, gluten-free and low-carb. So if you're into trimming those fats, just like what I stored here now in my tummy, or just want to stay healthy, this is an ideal for you guys. Very simple to make and easy to find ingredients. I made this for my husband and he gave a good feedback with the taste, considering that he's really picky in terms of veggie food. So let's try this, guys. And here are the ingredients. 1 pound skinless chicken breast cut into small pieces. You can use chicken thighs, but take off the skin and debone it. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 large carrot shredded. 6 cups of cabbage shredded. I used the purple cabbage in here, but you can use the green one, guys. 1/4 cup tomato sauce. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 bay leaf. A cup of water, or you can use a chicken stock. In my end, I use a chicken stock here. 1 teaspoon of paprika and parsley for garnish. Season the other side of the chicken with salt and pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet. Add the chicken, then season the other part of it. Cook for 2 minutes per side or until slightly brown and no longer pink. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Transfer to a plate and let it cool. Then cut it into smaller strips. Heat the remaining oil in the pan. Add the cabbage. Carrots. Tomato sauce, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Sautee for 5 minutes. Then add water or chicken stock and bay leaf. Cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, stirring frequently until the cabbage is tender or until the cabbage is tender and cooked. Add paprika and chicken strips. Cook for another 5 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Garnish with chopped parsley. Now enjoy your low-carb chicken meal. Goodbye.